Welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas day 15, I think. It's an Empties. I feel like you're going to know 90% of the things that I'm going to show you today, but I feel like these are really good because you get to see what people actually really like using. And it's an old school YouTube video. These are like one of my favourite things to watch. You'll also notice that I'm actually in the bedroom and you've not yet seen the full bed reveal. So you will see that in an upcoming vlog really soon. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm also all dressed up because I'm going to a little pre-family Christmas because we're going to be up in Scotland this year. So we're doing a little Christmas day with Matt's family. Literally in like half an hour I need to leave. So I thought, let me just film this for you guys. It will probably go up quite late tonight, but I know you like real-time videos as well. So anyway, let's get into it. The first thing I have to show you, and you guys will know I use this all the time. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Of course, I have repurchased this. It's completely empty. I could actually probably scrape a little bit more from there, but it's completely empty. One of the best, most lightweight moisturisers. These big tubs, that was £57 actually. That is quite expensive. But this has lasted me probably like 6 months and it's really lightweight. It is hydrating. I'm just reading the front of it, but it really is lightweight and hydrating. And you don't feel like a greasy residue. It goes really well under all makeup. I would really highly recommend this if you are looking for sensitive skincare. Kiehl's are the best. On the same note of sensitive skincare, I have an empty, you can just hear the widget or whatever it's called in there, the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Factor 50 sun cream. There's literally nothing left in here, which is, thank God that just went onto the thing that you're, thank God that didn't go into the carpet. Oh my God. This is mostly empty. There's obviously a few little dribbles still left in there, but this sun cream is really good if you've got sensitive skin. It is a chemical one and it's really good. It's great on holiday. The one pet peeve of mine that I have realised recently is that unless you've got like shellac on your nails, if you've got light pale coloured nail varnish, it's just like a normal nail varnish, this will stain your nails yellow. So I will not be repurchasing that for this reason, because most of the time I don't have gel on my nails, and I actually love the Kiehl's Factor 50 sun cream. I feel like it doesn't, my skin is super sensitive to sun creams, and this one is good, but yeah, I can't deal with yellow nails. It's just not a good look. Okay, next, this one's super boring. I feel like a bit of a granny even showing these. These are two empty Sanexes. These are the 0% hypoallergenic, sensitive for delicate skin, and you can really put this all over your body. It doesn't kind of dry you out. It is a great way of cleansing your skin but keeping bad chemicals at bay. It is 0% sulfates, perfumes, colorants and soap. Oh, it's not even got soap in it. Anyway, it's really gentle and just great, and we always love Sanex. It's a really good alternative to harsher body washes. Next up, my all-time favourite deodorant. I don't think I'll ever switch from this brand, but I know that there is a rise of natural deodorants and there's so many brands that are really good, but I don't know, I just feel like this is my tried, true and tested. I have also tried their natural one, but I just like these roll-ons. This is the Mitchum 24-hour sweat odor protection in the scent unscented. I don't know if this is, I mean, it technically is unscented, but it actually just smells really nice. It's kind of like just, I don't know, like a washing powder sort of scent. But anyway, triple odor defense, and it really works. Mitchum is like the best. Okay, next up, this is an absolutely gross bottle. I actually don't know what's happened to this, but this is the Redken, what is it called? The Redken Volume Injection Conditioner. One thing I realised about myself, I pronounce things wrong all the time, and like in my head I'm reading it and I'm reading the correct letters, but actually what comes out my mouth is just completely wrong. Sometimes my brother will message me like, why did you say this on your video? And I'll be like, I know, I like Supergoop, the sunscreen, I always pronounce it wrong, or like say super goo or super something, and I'm always like, I know what it's called and I think I'm saying it right. It's not till I watch a video back and I'm like, anyway, this is a Redken Volume Injection Conditioner. I obviously had the shampoo. I bought both of these a long time ago, and I don't know why it always takes so much longer to go through a bottle of conditioner versus shampoo. But anyway, this one has come with us to the new house. I've been working my way through it. I love the scent of this and it's really lovely, but I probably am not going to repurchase this one just because for Christmas, I know that my mum is picking me up some of the Living Proof full shampoo and conditioner range, and I love those. I wouldn't say there's as much volume to your hair, but it does smell amazing. And you know when you dry your hair and the whole bedroom smells like your shampoo? This is a great one for that, and it smells amazing. So if you're really into scents, I would say these are good. And they wash your hair and like do everything fine, but I wouldn't say it adds volume. So next up, I have an LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. You know that I love this one. It is, I mean, I'm probably going to keep scraping the remnants out of there, but I am hoping, I actually don't know if my mum will have gotten me one of these as a replacement for Christmas. I might have to pick one of these up. I love it. It's so gentle. It's so hydrating. It feels luxury. It smells incredible. It smells like a spa. It's lovely. Highly recommend. We'll always use this. Next up, an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is just a staple. This is like one of the best serums. I think it's one of the only serums that are actually like scientifically tested and shown to give great results. I don't know, look up those facts, don't quote me on that. But I just see such difference in my skin when I use this. I obviously have the big bottle that I got for my birthday from my mum and dad, but I was actually using up this one. So I've already got a big replacement of this. And like the LMS, I think I will always use this. It's just fantastic. My sister actually worked for Estee Lauder in Glasgow on the same makeup counter that Jamie Genevieve actually used to work on, but not at the same time. And yeah, she just said everyone that worked there used this all the time and they all had amazing skin. And yeah, it's just great. It's expensive, but it's really good. Okay, this product, this is not actually even empty. I mean, it kind of is. I've actually applied it on my lips today, if you can see. This is one of the best lip oils. I use a lot of lip products. I actually came to realize recently, like I used to think I wasn't much of like a lip product girl. And actually I love a glossy lip. I feel like it just looks plump and youthful and lovely. The Clarins lip oils. This is in the shade Pitaya. This is the Lip Comfort Oil. These are amazing. They're great gifts. I actually have one of these as a gift for someone special in my life this Christmas, and they just look amazing. Obviously this one's a bit old and battered and has got like bits in it and it's a bit gross, but I've had this for well over a year. I actually, fun fact, opened this one up in my first video that I did on my debut back to YouTube in September of last year. So yeah, I've had this for over a year and I just think it's the best. It's great. I will definitely be repurchasing one for myself. And the final empty that I have to show you is the Saint-Tropez, what's this called? Purity Self Tan Bronzing Water Face Mist. There is, again, a little bit in the bottom of there, but I just think this is such a good one. Fun fact, I actually spray this on my brother and Matt quite often, and it just gives such a nice glow. It's great for men. This is a little stocking filler for a man. It's a really good gift as well. They might be put off by the flower, but Matt doesn't even notice it. It just gives a really nice bronzed look on your skin. It lasts a few days. Anytime I spray this, the next morning I wake up, I'm like, okay, I look like a human being that slept 8 hours rather than looking like a mummy that's just woken up after 2,000 years. Anyway, yeah, highly recommend. We'll be repurchasing. Also, like probably the UTAN Jamie Genevieve spray, face spray, tanning water is my ultimate all-time favourite, but this is like a really close second and it's great. I'll probably repurchase this before the other one because it's way easier to get your hands on this. It's in most Superdrugs and Boots and all the pharmacies, so yes, highly recommend. We'll definitely be repurchasing. I'm going to round this video up here. I know it was a little bit of a shorter one, but I have to nip off now and have our lovely Christmas lunch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow for another one. I'm also took all of your advice where I'm not going to put too much pressure on myself to make sure the video's uploaded at the same time every day, and you know, I'm working full time and I've got a lot going on, so it is a little bit tricky, so bear with me. I'm going to keep making videos for you. It's going to be much easier because I've got some annual leave in the run up to Christmas, a few days off, so prepare for lots of fun content then. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you for another video tomorrow. Bye.